In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change warp portal color in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the colors of your effects in Heroes Battlegrounds. So if you watch a lot of videos of this experience, you might notice that some players have different colors when they use their attacks. So this can actually be changed inside of the game. There is one big limitation that I will mention right now. You will only be able to change these colors for your effects on any character if you are a VIP. So sadly, this is going to cost Robux. But once you are inside of the experience, all that you have to do as any character is to click on this little settings icon, and at the top you will find VIP options in gold text. If you don't have VIP, which is the case for me as well, you will see this message: insufficient funds, would you like to buy 800 Robux? And if you buy the Robux and you acquire VIP, then you will be able to access the effect color wheel. So choose this option and then you will be able to find the effect color option. When you choose effect color, you will usually see a wheel where you can choose any gradient that you see there, or you will see a lot of rectangles that give you all the colors available, and all that you have to do is then choose the color that you want. You can also include a color code, and this will give you specific colors. You can look for videos like best color code combinations for Heroes Battlegrounds on YouTube and get some recommendations there, or you can choose your own from the color wheel that appears. Pick whichever option you prefer, and you will be able to change the effect colors, including the color for your warp portal that you can summon. So choose whichever option you think is best, and as long as you have VIP on any platform and you join Heroes Battlegrounds, you will be able to access the effect color option under VIP options and change it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change warp portal color in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.